بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear brothers and sisters, today we are going to continue our exercise number 3 of lesson number 6. Today I am going to teach you through audio as I am out of my hometown. So let's begin. اقرأ المثال وكون جملا على غراره. Read the examples and make the sentences accordingly. Let's begin. Muhammadun ttaalibun. Aaminatu ttaalibatun. Now here we see that mubtada and khabar have the same case endings and mubtada is muzakkar, hence khabar is also muzakkar. In the case of feminine Aaminatu, it is mamnu min as-sarf, hence it does not take tanween. So in our next sentences we have to keep it in mind that all the feminine names will have a single dhamma and khabar will be feminine if mubtada will be muannath. Next, Haamidun ttabeebun. Haamid is a doctor. Now we have to fill in the blank in the left side and also put the signs, proper signs on the first word. It will be Faatimatu and not Faatimatun. Faatimatu is a feminine name and hence it is a noun which is mamnu min as-sarf. It accepts only single sign, dhamma or fatha. Faatimatu ttabeebatun. Now we have to eliminate tanween from ttabeebun and put fatha on the last letter ba and add tamarbuta and add tanween with dhamma to the tamarbuta. Hence it will become Faatimatu ttabeebatun. Fatima is a doctor. Next, huwa muslimun. Huwa is a dhamirun munfasilun, separate pronoun. Huwa is here is used as the pronoun for third person singular masculine. Huwa mubtada, it is a definite noun. In Arabic language, it is considered as definite noun in Arabic language. It is ismun ma'arifun. It is ism ma'arifah because it has been used for a particular person. Huwa muslimun. Huwa mubtada, muslimun khabar. He is a muslimun. He is a Muslim. On the left hand side we have to fill in the blank and put the appropriate sign on the word hiya. Hiya is dhamirun munfasilun lil muannath lil ghaib. Hiya means she. Now in the word muslimun we have to eliminate the tanween at the end and put fatha on mim and attach tamarbuta and put tanween with dhamma on tamarbuta. Hence the sentence will become hiya muslimatun. She is a Muslim. Hiya mubtada, muslimatun khabar. Next sentence. Albaabu mughlaqun. Albaabu mughlaqun. Albaabu is marfu'. In all the previous examples, mubtada were marfu'. Albaabu is mubtada, mughlaqun khabar. Now albaabu is muzakkar, hence khabar is also muzakkar, mughlaqun. In the case of annaafizatu, it will be muannath. Khabar will also be muannath as the mubtada is muannath. Annaafizatu. Annaafizatu. Albaabu mughlaqun, the door is closed. Annaafizatu mughlaqatun, the window is closed. We have to eliminate tanween of mughlaqun and put fatha on qaf and attach ta marbuta and put tanween with dhamma on it. Hence the sentence will become annaafizatu mughlaqatun, the window is closed. Next, almindeelu wasikhun. Almindeelu mubtada and it is ma'rifah. Wasikhun khabar, it is nakirah. Now as we know that alyad, the hand, is the part of the body and it exists in pair, hence it is treated as muannath. So we will say alyadu wasikhatun. Almindeelu wasikhun, the handkerchief is dirty, and alyadu wasikhatun, the hand is dirty. Next, ash-shaayu haarrun, the tea is hot. ash-shaayu mubtada, haarrun khabar, both are muzakkar. Alqahwatu, it is muannath, hence khabar will also be muannath, hence we will say alqahwatu haarratun. Next, al-masjidu baqidun. Al-masjid is mubtada, muzakkar, hence khabar is baqidun and muzakkar. Khabar is also muzakkar. In the case of al-madrasatu, khabar will also be muannath. Al-madrasatu baqidatun. At-taalibu maridun. At-taalibatu maridatun. Al-hifanu sariqan. As-sayyaratu sariqatun. Al-qamaru jamilun. Ash-shamsu jamilatun. Al-abu jalisun. Al-ummu jalisatun. Now let's see the translation of each and every sentence. Muhammadun ttaalibun, Muhammad is a student. Aaminatu ttaalibatun, Aamina is a student. Haamidun ttabeebun, Haamid is a doctor. Faatimatu ttabeebatun, Faatima is a doctor. Huwa muslimun, he is a Muslim. Hiya muslimatun, she is a Muslim. Albaabu mughlaqun, the door is closed. Annaafizatu mughlaqatun, the window is closed. Almindeelu wasikhun, the handkerchief is dirty. Alyadu wasikhatun, the hand is dirty. ash-shaayu haarrun, the tea is hot. Alqahwatu, the coffee is hot. Al-masjidu baqidun, the masjid or the mosque is far. Al-madrasatu baqidatun, the school or madrasa is far. At-taalibu maridun, the student is sick, male student is sick. At-taalibatu maridatun, the female student is sick. Al-hifanu sari'un. The horse is fast, or it is the horse is fast and the car is fast. As-sayyaratu sari'atun. The car is fast. Al-qamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Ash-shamsu jamilatun. Ash-shamsu is treated as feminine. Arabs have deemed it as feminine, and this word occurs in Quran as feminine. Hence we say ash-shamsu jamilatun. The sun is beautiful. Next, al-abu jalisun. The father is sitting. Al-ummu jalisatun.